Learn how to avoid the most common photography mistakes and elevate your photography game. Here's some mistakes to avoid. First thing is not checking the equipment before you start a shoot, making sure that your battery is fully charged and also that your lenses are clean. Second is ignoring the background. Pay attention to what is in the background of the image so it doesn't draw away the attention from the subject that you're shooting. Third thing is not adjusting the white balance. Make sure the colours in your image are accurate by adjusting the white balance. Fourth thing is not taking advantage of natural light. You want to utilise natural light so you can create stunning and moody images. Fifth is not choosing the right lens for the shoot. The lens can affect the final result, so choose wisely. The sixth and final thing is not taking enough photos. Don't be afraid to take as many photos as possible so you can get the perfect shot. Remember, the key to better photography is being mindful of your surroundings, lighting and equipment. Avoid these common mistakes and you'll be on your way to creating stunning images. If you learned something from this video, leave a comment down below on what you learned, and also hit the like button and subscribe so I know to make more videos like this. But that's everything I wanted to share with you, and I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye for now.